Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Cellular. This is where iPhone reports carrier data that counts toward your plan. Once done, make sure cellular data is toggled on so data flows. You should also confirm which SIM is active if you use dual SIM, because numbers and totals are tracked per line. This first view lists current period usage and per app usage. Take a quick glance to see what apps use the most data and why that matters for your monthly cap. Next, scroll down to find current period and last reset. These give you totals since the last manual reset, not calendar months. You should inspect the per app list to see which apps consumed cellular data, because background activity and video streaming often top the list. If an app uses unexpected data, tap it to check permissions or disable cellular access. Also, to track billing cycles accurately, reset statistics at the start of your carrier's billing day. That aligns iPhone numbers with your bill. Finally, manage usage by toggling cellular off for specific apps and enabling low data mode to reduce background use. This directly cuts cellular consumption. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist is set how you prefer, because it can switch to cellular when Wi-Fi is weak. If the data totals look incorrect, restart your iPhone first, then reset statistics and recheck after 24 hours. If discrepancies persist, contact your carrier, since carrier reporting can differ from iPhone measurements. That troubleshooting step often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.